Hello and welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option how to enable default navigations options in navigation for TalkBack option in Realme 14 Pro phone. So where to look for this? First of all, we need to go to our phone settings. Next, we need to go to accessibility and convenience, then accessibility. Now at the top we have this vision tab, then TalkBack, and here in the top right corner we have this cog menu which we need to open. Then when we scroll down, we have customize menus and then customize TalkBack menu. Then we need to scroll to the navigation, here it is, which we need to enable first. Then we can edit the options. Now we need to scroll down a bit, and here is our default navigation option. As you can see, read one item at a time, which you can enable or disable by checking or unchecking this box right there. And that's all. Goodbye.